Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for class 1 to 10. In Swiflearn, we have 100% live and interactive classes. Personalized attention will be given to each and every student, while the maximum batch size is 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor will be allotted to track and work on your progress. We also cover syllabus as per your school examination schedule, and also we handle custom requests. A key features is we provide you with a detailed progress report card on monthly basis. Students can take SwiftLearn Academic Test Series, a scholarship exam conducted every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and all the practice tests are subjective as well as objective for your school examination. Students, those on new book of free trial class today. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. I am Shashank Sir, and today I'll be teaching you the second topic of the chapter solids. So, the objectives of the today's class will be we are going to recall the surface areas and volumes of the figures which studied in the previous class. We're going to learn cross sections of solid figures and learn the rate flow of water. So, can you tell me about this solid figures? Yes. So, this is a square, this is a cube, this is a triangle, this is a cone. Yes. Now let's see whether we can solve this problem or not based on the previous class learnings. The area of a playground is 3650 square meters. Find the cost of covering it with gravels with 1.2 centimeter deep if the gravel costs 640 per cubic meter. Okay, so how to do this? Yes. Okay, so the area of playground is 3650 square meters and the gravels are 1.2 centimeter deep. Therefore, the volume to be covered will be 3650 meter square into, convert this in meters, we have 0.012. Okay, so when you multiply them, you will get the answer 43.8 cubic meter. Since the cost per cubic meter is 6.4 rupees, therefore the cost will be 4.43.8 into 6.4, which is rupees 280.32. Yes, this is how we do. Now, let us study about the cross sections of solid figures. A cross section is the intersection of a figure in three-dimensional space with a plane. Cross section is the face you obtain by making a slice through a solid object. The cross section is of two types, namely horizontal cross section and vertical cross section. Okay, so horizontal or parallel cross section. In parallel cross section, the plane cuts the solid shape in the horizontal direction, that is parallel to the base, such that it creates a parallel cross section. Vertical means perpendicular to the cross section. Okay, such that it creates a perpendicular cross section. Yes, so let's visualize this. Let's see this here. Okay, let's see the cross sections. Okay, now see this. Here, if I slice it parallel to the base, it is a horizontal cross section. If I slice it perpendicular to the base, it is perpendicular cross section. Okay, so yes, see this. If I rotate this, what is going to happen? Okay, see this. So horizontal cross section, I'm going to get the same as the base, whereas for perpendicular cross section, okay, so yes, this is also, I think so, another figure, but this is also horizontal. Okay, so if I cut perpendicular to the base, so I'll get a rectangle in this case, and in this case also I will get a rectangle. Okay, yes. So coming back to the lesson plan. So yes, so there can be two cross sections, which is uniform cross section and non-uniform cross section. If the shape and size of the cross section is same at every point along the length or the breadth or the height, then this cross section is known as uniform cross section. Okay, example, right circular cylinder has uniform cross section. Okay, if the shape and size of the cross section is not same, then the cross section is non-uniform. Example is cone. Okay, the dimension will be varying. We'll get different circles at different cross sections. Okay, so when a solid figure has uniform cross section, then the volume of that solid is, okay, with the uniform cross section, is area of the cross section into the height or length or the breadth. Okay, so the lateral surface area of a solid figure with uniform cross section. Okay, so the perimeter of the cross section into the length or height or breadth will give us the lateral surface or curved surface, the cross section. And total surface area of the solid figure with uniform cross section is the lateral surface area plus sum of the areas of the two plane ends. Okay, so areas of the bases and lateral surface area, which is perimeter, into the height. Okay, so yes, let's solve an example. The adjoining figure shows a solid of uniform cross section, okay, which is a trapezium in shape. If the length of the solid is 1 meter, find its volume. Okay, so there is a trapezium. Okay, the cross section is a trapezium and it is a prism, like it is extended. Okay, the dimensions of trapezium is given, which is 17 centimeter, 23 centimeter, and the height is 10 centimeter. Okay, so find its volume. So cross sectional area. Okay, so area of trapezium is given by sum of the two sides into the length. Okay, so sum of the two sides. Okay, so that divided by 2 into the height will give you the area of the cross section of the trapezium. Okay, and now into the length 1 meter. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So 200 into 100 is 20,000. 20,000 centimeter cube is the volume of the prism. Yes. So let's discuss about the waterfalls. Do you like waterfalls? Yes, of course we like. As we all know, liquid flows. One can say how slow or fast it flows. But can someone tell at what rate of fluid flows? If water is flowing through a pipe or a canal of uniform cross section, the volume of water that flows in unit time is equal to area of the cross section into speed flow of the water. Okay, so read this again. If water is flowing through a pipe or a canal of uniform cross section, okay, so it can be assumed, not exactly, there are so many factors, but for now you are in 9th grade, so yes, we can assume this. The volume of water that flows in unit time, okay, is equal to area of the cross section into speed flow of the water. Yes, let's take an example. A rectangular tank is 25 meter long and 9.5 meter deep. If 600 cubic meter of water be drawn off the tank, the level of water in the tank goes down by 1.5 meter. Calculate the width of the tank, the total volume of water in which tank can hold. Okay, so see this, what they have given. They have given the length of the tank. Okay, they have given the depth, how much water the depth is there. Okay, if this much water can be drawn off the tank. Okay, so let's solve this. The volume of the water taken out is length of the tank into its width into the fall in water level. Okay, so volume is equal to length into width into the height, that is fall in the water level. So width of the tank, we can find it as 16 meters. Okay, now the total volume of the water which a tank can hold is length of the tank into its width, okay, into its depth. So depth is 9.5 centimeters. So length into breadth into height or into depth will give you the volume of the tank. 3800 cubic meter is the volume of the tank. Now let's try to solve this. The cross sectional of a tunnel perpendicular to its length is a trapezium as shown in the following figure. Given that AM is equal to BN is equal to 7 meters. Okay, this is 7 meters. Okay, and CD is equal to 5 meters. This is 5, this is also 5. So 7 plus 7 plus 5, how much is that? 14, 19 meters. Okay, the height of the tunnel is 2.4 meters. This is the height. The tunnel is 40 meters long. It is 40 meters long. Okay, calculate the cost of painting of internal surface of the tunnel excluding the 4 at the rate of rupees 5 per meter square. Cost of paving of the floor at the rupees 18 per meter square. Okay, yes, now see this. So find the area. Okay, so you will see. So AM and BN are equal. AM is equal to BN. Okay, they are not 7. They are not 7. They have not said it as 7. Okay, so I wrote it 7. Okay, sorry guys. See this. AM and BN are equal. AB is 7. Okay, so AB is 7 meters. Okay, so Mn is 5 meters. So this two are equal, they are same. So remaining is 2 meters. So this is 1 meter. This is also 1 meter. Okay, so this concept is clear. Now in triangle ADM, ADM. Okay, so find the length of AD. Okay, using Pythagoras theorem, this is 1 square plus 2.4 square. Add it, you get square root of 6.76. So square root of 6.76, you can use the formula. Okay, and you can get AD as 2.6 meter. AD is 2.6 meters. Similarly, CD is also 2.6 meters. Okay, so the area of painting this wall is 2.6 meters into the length is 40 meters. Okay, like this we have two walls. Okay, and 2.4 meters into 40 meters. Okay, so this will be the area which needs to be painted. So the perimeter of cross section of the tunnel is 7. Okay, 2.6 meters, 2.6 meters and 5 meters. Okay, the length is 40 meters. The internal surface area of the tunnel except for the floor, okay, is this whole thing into 40 minus, we need to forget this 7. Okay, so is 408 square meters. Okay, per meter cost is 5. So 408 into 5 is 2040. So it is cost of the painting. Now cost of payment is the area of the base is 40 into 7. So 40 into 7, okay, is 280 square meter. Now this into 18, okay, is 5040. This is the cost of flooring or paving. Okay, so this is how it is done. So rectangular water tank measures 80 centimeter, 60 centimeter and 60 centimeter, is filled from a pipe of cross sectional area 1.5 square centimeter. The water emerging at 3.2 meters per second. How long will it take to fill the tank? Okay, so the volume of the rectangular tank is 80 into 60 into 60, which is 288,000 square cubic centimeter. Okay, so 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, convert this. Okay, so the volume of water flowing in per second is area of the cross section, okay, into the rate, which is 3.2 meters per second. Now this is in meters, convert this in centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Substitute 100 here. So 1.5 into 3.2 into 100, okay, which is nothing but 15 into 32 is 480 centimeter cube per second. Okay, make this as centimeter cube per second. Per second, 480 centimeter cube of volume is getting filled. Now how much time will it take to fill this much? Okay, so so what they have done is, so we'll get answer in seconds. So what they have done is, hence the volume of water flowing in 1 minute is this much into 60. Okay, so which is 288,000 centimeter cube. Now this divided by this. Okay, so you do this, so this much can be filled in 1 minute. How much it will take time to fill this much? So this whole thing by this, okay, you will get 10 minutes. If you previously directly divide this by 480, you will get in seconds. Okay, so this much can be filled in 10 minutes. Okay, the next question. Amit, student of class 9, was assigned a project where he was asked to take a rectangular cardboard sheet which has length 32 centimeter and breadth 26 centimeter. Okay. The squares of each side 3 centimeter are cut from the corners of the sheet and the sides are folded to make a rectangular container. Okay. Yes. Find the capacity of the container formed. Okay. See this. Okay. So he has a cardboard of length 32 and breadth 26. Okay, a squares of each side 3 centimeter are cut from the corner of the sheets. Okay, so this are cut from the corner. Okay, when cut they can be folded, okay, and made a box. Okay, so find the, okay, calculate the volume each can hold, right? What was the question asked? Okay, find the capacity of the container. 3 centimeter, 32, 26, and this is 3 centimeters. Yes. Now see this. This dimension is 32 minus 6, which is 24, 28. 32 minus 6. 32 minus 6 is 26. Okay, and this dimension is 26 minus 6, which is 20, and the height is 3 centimeter. Okay, now the volume is 26 into 20 into 3. So 2 3s are 60, 26 into 60, 6 6 2 6 are 12, 6 6 are 36. Write the 0, add them, we get 1560 centimeter cube. This is the answer. See, when you cut, it will become like this. Okay, a box like this. Okay, this cut part is 3, this is 20, this is 26. So volume is length into breadth into height. You do this, you will get the answer. Yes, in physics, a cross-sectional describes the likelihood of two particles interacting under certain conditions. Those conditions include, for example, the number of particles in the beam, okay, and this. Okay, so question of the day, read this. What are the different cross sections shapes for files? Okay, so what are the different cross sections and shapes for files? Okay, So file, if you take different cross sections, okay, if a file is like this, okay, so it will be like this, it will be a rectangle, okay, you get different shapes. Yes. Okay. So yes, so what did we learn today? We recalled the surface areas and its volume of solid figures. We learned cross sections of solid figures. We learned the rate of flow. Okay, so these are few extra time questions. These are homeworks for you. Okay, I'll guide you how to do this. You need to get them done. The first question, a rectangular water tank measuring 80 centimeter into 60 centimeter is filled from a pipe of cross-sectional area 1.5. Okay, so this we have solved, right? A rectangular water tank measuring 80 centimeter into 60 centimeter, and one more dimension is required, is filled from a pipe of cross-sectional area 1.5 centimeter. Okay, the water emerging is at rate this much. How much long does it take to fill the tank? Yes, so what you need to do is, first there is the data missing, so let us assume it as 60 or something else. Find the volume of the tank. So volume of the tank is length into breadth into height, you get some value. Okay, so water flowing per second in the tank, cross sectional area is 1 point, into flow rate is 3.2. Okay, meters per second. Now convert this in centimeters, so into 100, you get the value. Now convert this values in minutes. If you want the time in minutes, convert this in hours if you want in hours, or you can convert in seconds. Okay, now whatever the volume is there divided by this, you will get the time. Okay, so the same thing, see, rectangular field is this much broad. Okay, a cubical tank of 6 is cut at each of this. Okay, the remaining this is dug evenly spread. Find the area of the field. Okay, so what you need to do here is, okay, see this, the second one, we will discuss the second one. There is a rectangular field. Okay, so at every corner there are hole dug, rectangle, cubical hole dug, okay, of head 6. Okay, so volume of the earth dug is 4 times, okay, volume of each hole, it is 6 into 6 into 6, 216, okay, meters, 216 meters. Now 216 into 4. 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24. 864 cubic meter. Now this one, okay, this volume is evenly spread. Okay, so this area, okay, 112 meter long, 112 minus 6, this is 100. Okay, this is 62, 62 minus 6 is 50. Okay, so this area is 100 into 62, which is 6200. Okay, this area is 50 into 6 plus 50 into 6, so it is 5 6 are 30, 5 6 are 30. Okay, so 300 300, so it is 6800 meters, okay, square meter. This is the area. Now into the height will give you this. Okay, so 864. Convert this meters in centimeters, you will get the height. Okay, do the calculations and all, you will get the height in centimeters, or you can get the height in meters also. Okay, so this area is 100 into 62 is 6200. Okay, and this area is 50 into 6 is 300, 300 plus 300 is 600. Area of the base into height. Okay, So yes, we are having 6800. Okay, so meter square and meters. Okay, so see this 864. Okay, into 1 meter is 100 centimeter divided by this. If you do, you will get the height in centimeters. Okay, divide both of them. So I have 6 8 6 1 6 6 2 12. Okay, so divide this by 4. Can I divide this by 4? 4 sevens are 28. Yes. Yes. 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 28, 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4, 4 six are 24. Divide this 2, 1, 6, 17. Can I divide this by 17? 17 ones are 17. Okay. So 21 minus 17 is 4. 17 threes are 51. 17 fours are 17. Do the calculations. Okay. So this is how this is done. And you get the answers. A three-dimensional of a solid metallic cube are this. It is melted and recast into identical solid metal cubes of each at this. Find the number of cubes formed. Okay, so the dimension of the solid metallic cuboid. Okay, there is a cuboid. So volume of the cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Okay, this is melted and formed number of cubes. Okay, so volume of the cube is 6 into 6 into 6. N number of cubes are formed. So when recasted, the volume will remain same. So n into 6 into 6 into 6 is this thing. So n is equal to this by 6 into 6 into 6. Okay, now no need to multiply them first. Let us divide them and then find the value of n. Okay, don't keep waste your time multiplying. Now divide them. 6 ones are 6, 6 fives are 30. Okay, so 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 5 twos are 10. So n is equal to 750. 750 cubes can be formed. Okay, so 750, yes, that is the answer. Okay, so yes, that's all for today, students. Those are new. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss any update. I am Shashank Sir signing off. Bye. Have a nice day, everyone.